What is going on, my boo? It is your girl STACIEWO. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Today, honey, I did a pop cut crease eye look, giving you wings. So if you want to see how I created this look, make sure you guys keep on watching. Alright, so we are going to be jumping right into it. So first, as you can see, I already got my eyebrows down, okay? I'm a little nervous because, you know, just real quick, I ain't did this in a while. Let's see if I still have this skill, okay? So starting off, we're going to be starting off with the P. Louise. This is in the Rumor 5 base. And I'm going to be taking this. Y'all already know about the P. Louise. Y'all know my P. Louise be doing the what? And just stamping this all on my lid. You know, we gonna get the eye part done and then we gonna bust it up. Y'all already know the P. Louise is my fave as far as to learning how to blend. So that's why I use this. It just blends, as y'all can see, like so seamlessly. You see what I'm saying? So y'all already know I'm going to be jumping into my Stacey Marie palette. I'm sorry, I do need to get some more palettes, okay? But I mean, if it ain't broke, don't fix it. You dig me? So we gonna jump out there and we gonna get lit, okay? So we gonna jump into it. So I'm gonna be jumping into my Sigma E54 brush. Stamp this into my crease. So now, since we have packed that on, I'm going to be jumping into this M514 brush. And the color, I want to give this like sunset, shiny, summertime magic. You know, we still in the summer. It's hot as fish grease and balls outside. So we might as well just keep it in the summer, you feel me? So we're going to be jumping into Keen. I'm going to blend my edges. Always blend your edges. I'm gonna jump right back into this orange, and I'm gonna also take this Inferno. This is a red, and I just wanted to get some of that red too and mix the Inferno and the red just to give, like, you know, more of that red light, you know? It's like, no, but mixing the colors and trying to give it like sunrise, sunset. Say no, but remember that on, what was it called? What was that movie called? Sex and the City. He was like sunrise, sunset. All right, so I'm gonna take some of my Vaseline and I'm going to cut my crease. So now we're going to jump into Mema Mitchell Acid Rain. We're gonna jump into a blank canvas and we're gonna jump into this blue. I wanna mix it because I want it to be like a baby blue. So now I'm going to take this and I'm going to cut my crease. Where's my... Baby, I need a mirror. I'm nervous. It's like, no, but I already cut it for real. I'm just placing it now. And we're going to take this M506 and we're going to blend this out. Now, since we have that down, we are going to take the same brush and I'm going to jump into that orange, that first one, and I'm just going to take this and just lightly tickling it, like sweeping towards the front so you could be able to really blend. You see how like it give you like that nice seamless blend? So now, since I have this down, oh, I love that so much. I want to do a wing line, so I'm going to jump into this Ecstasy. This eye came out really nice. I really love how this eye came out. Real quick for the under eye, I'm going to take some more of this P. Louise and just clean up my under eye. We're just going to be simple. We're going to take that lid and just tapping it under there real good. And now I'm going to do this other eye and we're going to come back. All right, so now we have these eyes down. Number one, can we get into this wing? Boy, oh boy, like, go me, okay? So now yeah, we're gonna jump into face. Number one, for moisturizer, we're going to be jumping into the Fenty Beauty because I'm very dry. And this is actually the Instant Reset Overnight Recovery Gel Cream. Now, I do use this at night, but I used this one time because I had left my moisturizer, so I used this for a moisturizer. I don't know, but for some reason, it did something to my foundation that made me be like, oh, I wanna use this. But yes, my boo, what has been going on? How have you been? Have you been doing everything you need to do for you first? Okay, staying positive, you feel what I'm saying? But yes, y'all, I just been chilling, working hard, staying out the way. You already know how we do. We're going to be using the LYS, and this is in the color DPG1, and we just gonna tap this all over, you know, bringing this all the way around the nose, making sure you cover that nose. But yes, boo, I've been chilling, staying out the way. I've been really, really busy, making sure everything that I need to do, I do. Like, I just really been focused, you feel what I'm saying? Because in order for you to continue to do everything that you need to do, you gotta stay focused. I can't believe I lost my pinky, so y'all gonna be seeing this one pinky. I do press-ons, okay? But anyway, now we're gonna be jumping into concealing the eyes, and we're gonna be jumping into the Mcgrath, and this is in the color M20. Yeah, I just been very focused, you know what I'm saying? Asking God to allow me to do everything I want to do, you know what I'm saying? If we don't show up for ourselves, who will? You feel what I'm saying? So that's exactly what I've been doing, showing up and making sure that I do everything I need to do, setting my deadlines, keeping my peace, having positive influences around me, and everybody that I talk to, we're all positive, we're all, you know, doing something or doing the same thing, because I feel like us as women, we need to build each other up. That's really been my vibe, like building people up, people, you know, building me up, because I'm a human and sometimes I need building up too, you dig me? Setting good examples. You know, I watched Space Jam with my kids. I don't know if y'all watched it, but that shit was shitty. I didn't like what it was given. Like, it wasn't given what it was supposed to give. Bruh, broke my heart. Do you hear me? When it first come on, the old one, you know, you up. You want to be hype. It's like, welcome to the Space Jam. Hey, it's your chance. Do your dance at the Space Jam. You know, it's like, this one is like, do-do-do-do-do-do-do-do. I don't know. Like, you know, my kids like it. You know what's so crazy? My kids think I'm corny. I don't understand. Like, how my daughter be trying to act like she's somebody. Like, girl, like, I've been there. Oh, did I tell y'all what I use? Oh, I jumped into the Mcgrath, and then I jumped into the Huda Beauty in the color Caramel Corn. But yes, so if y'all watched Space Jam, let me know what y'all thought, because I thought it was a hot ass mess. But you know, this weekend was definitely rolling loud. I wish I was there. I wish I was the fly on the wall. I definitely want to go to Rolling Loud next year. It was definitely a lituation there, you know, so I definitely want to go, okay? And this Mcgrath and this Huda Beauty is blending together very, very nice. Ooh, you see that? Shut your mouth, girl. They be talking shit. I'm gonna jump into my Charlotte Tilbury really, really quick. You already know that sister be creasing. You know we gotta touch this right on up fast in a hurry. Okay? And we gonna just brush up and brush this contour in. Blend that in between. You know, you always gotta make sure that shit is blended, okay? We're gonna jump into the nose, and then I'm gonna just blend. We're going to be jumping into some powder just to set this contour, because we have to set it, okay? This is the Cocoa Naughty by Fenty Beauty. Touch up that nose with this real good, okay? Oh, I love how this Fenty Beauty and this Bobbi Brown, like, that's why I keep using this, like, it always does the thing. So now I'm gonna tap this and bake. So I'm gonna leave that there. Ooh. You know, left a good job in the city.
All right, let me just go back to lip. Let me get the lip because this face is just giving you flawless.
So I lined my lip already because I just wanted to real quick just jump into lip. And we're going to be jumping into Cashmere, and this is by Lime Crime. This is like my fave. I haven't used this in a while. And I'll just dust everything off my face. I like to do this before I put my highlight on, because one time I put my highlight on and honey child, I had glitter all over my face. I looked like a glitter donut. I said, And we're going to be jumping into the Over It in the Stacey Marie palette. Ooh, I ain't really been beat in a while. I've been giving y'all too many natural looks. I'm about to start coming for you. We're gonna give them the Beauty Bakery, okay? And this color is in Hey Pumpkin, okay? And we're just gonna, you know, give them orange. Give them pumpkin patch. And then we're gonna jump into the Luminous Setting Spray. So my boo, this is the final look, y'all. I did so good. I have not did a cut crease in like months. Y'all already know. But this cut crease in this wing is just giving update. It's just giving growth. Say no, but I'm really loving this eye look. And if you is feeling this eye look, boo, don't forget to smash that like button and also leave me a comment down below. Also, my boo, if you have made it this far to the video and you have not subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting for, period. Make sure you subscribe and also hit the notification bell button too, boo. So with that being said, boo, thank you so much for watching me grow. Don't forget to keep God first, and I will see you, boo, in my next video. Mwah. Peace.